front of me is Oppo A1K, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. First of all, find clock and tap on it. Then select OK in this pop-up and tap on alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on. Then tap on this plus icon at the top right corner and set up an hour. When you're ready, you can click on repeat and choose days of the week by tapping on the one that you wish to set up. I will go with Mondays and Tuesdays maybe. Then go back, choose label your alarm however you wish to. I will go with work and save it by clicking on this icon at the bottom right corner of your keyboard. Then you can click on the switchers next to vibrate and snooze to enable or disable those features and tap on ringtone. Over here, tap on one of those melodies to pick the best one for you and go back. But you can also click on select from files, pick music from your device, tap on it and go back twice. To save your alarm, click on save at the top right corner, and as you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it or turn it back on the same way. But you can also hold it, delete it by clicking on the delete icon at the bottom, and now it's gone. Remember to click done at the top right corner to delete it for sure. You can also adjust more alarm settings by tapping on this little icon over here next to the plus one at the top right corner and adjusting them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!